Gordon Graham here with today's tip from Lexipol. And today's tip is for fire service personnel. 2,500 years ago, Sun Tzu said, "Know the enemy and know yourself." 50 years ago, Francis Xavier Brannigan put pen to paper and wrote, "The building is your enemy. Know your enemy." These admonitions continue to ring true. The world of firefighting is much more complex today than it was in the 70s. The mission scope has increased beyond simply extinguishing fires. EMS, technical rescue, and response to terror events are just a few of these additions. But today, I want to talk about the original mission, extinguishing fires. Buildings and vehicles have changed in many ways. Fully electric vehicles run on a type of battery that can make vehicle fires difficult to extinguish. Buildings have been made of wood forever, but about 30 years ago, we started seeing the impact of lightweight wood frame construction. Now, mass timber construction has made its debut, and it's included in the 2021 International Building Code. Have you immersed yourself in learning about the idiosyncrasies of hybrid and electric vehicles? Do you understand how mass timber buildings are constructed and how that affects fire spread? If not, you got to start now. These are your new enemies. You need to know whether they require new or modified strategies and tactics. Make it part of your training regimen to go out in your response area to look at new construction and renovations. Look for odd or inconsistent features that will affect your strategies and tactics. Update your pre-plans, your training manuals, and your procedures, and keep up with these changes. Allow me to conclude this with the final line of Sun Tzu's quote. "If you know neither your enemy nor yourself, you will succumb in every battle." And that is today's tip from Lexipol. Gordon Graham signing off.